Kim was referred at 16 to the Communities for Work programme through the Gwynedd Post-16 Engagement Panel. Kim had disengaged from school in Year 10 because of personal problems that affected her well-being and her attendance at school. She left school without any qualifications. During this period, Kim received support from the Child and Adolescent Mental Health Service. Kim did not leave the house without her mother, and she did not socialise with other people. Simon, the Communities for Work youth mentor, started to support Kim at her home. Establishing a relationship built on trust between Simon and Kim was key at this stage. Through intensive, one-to-one work over a long period of time, Kim expressed that she would like to go back to education to study art. Through Simon's support and advice and guidance from Careers Wales, Kim learned what pathway she needed to take to go back into education. Kim attended evening classes to study GCSEs in mathematics and English. Kim went on to attend a traineeship in art through Grŵp Llandrillo Menai. Kim has now completed her GCSEs and traineeship and has moved on to a full-time Level 2 course in art. The consistent support available through the Communities for Work programme has been very important for Kim on her journey back into education.